10 minutes. Yeah, this is not a mini fridge. This is for Mika's food. Also my drinks, because mostly for Mika's food. I have him on like a fresher, like refrigerated food, like fresher. What happened at the bottom? What? This is not a mini fridge. This is literally a Ray fridge. No tipping. Too late for that, bruh. A little bit too late for that, isn't it? Wow, it's so big. What did I buy, man? Mika, what did I buy? This is massive. I didn't realize mini fridges were this big. I thought it was like something I could put on my desk or something. You're just also mini?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
There is no way you guys are that much bigger than me. There is no way. Mini fridge on the desk? Yeah, I was gonna put it like in my bathroom, put my drinks in there and put Mika's food in there, but now I have a freezer. I can put popsicles in there. And then I opened my mini fridge and it's not mini. I can literally fit in it.
Okay. Well, don't try.